I'm Melissa Fortune of Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to take you through my favorite Brandon Blackwood bags that are currently in my collection right now. There's construction being done outside of my apartment. Hopefully the sound isn't too crazy, but if you can hear it, I apologize in advance. And I did not intentionally mean to match this bag, but here we are. The first bag in my collection is the End Systemic Racism bag that was made popular when Kim K rocked the canvas tote version of this bag, and it was photographed for Vogue magazine. Yo, it's pure chaos right now in my building. Loud ass construction happening outside. The lock in the front door is fucked up, so everyone is ringing my bell to get it, which is totally fine, but it's funny. And Callie's losing her mind in the corner. Okay, so this bag cost me about $80. It's made out of a satin fabric. It comes with a long strap so that you could wear it crossbody. It has a snap closure at the center, and although it's mini, it's big enough to fit my iPhone 12 Max. I feel like this bag is a classic. I'm pretty sure this was his first bag that started the Brandon Blackwood craze. And I believe it was posted on All Black Everything. I absolutely love the site and the Instagram page. Most of the Black-owned brands that I currently shop, I found through that page. So if you're not following them, make sure you do. Subscribe to their website so you too can be shopping All Black Everything. Unfortunately, the End Systemic Racism bag is no longer on the site. The only place you can get it now is like StockX and eBay. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you've definitely seen this bag in about 30 reels and 40 photos. This is definitely my #1 favorite bag in my closet right now. This is the Brandon Blackwood Bamboo Tote. Get into this bamboo detail. This bag is so freaking dope. Again, snap closure in the center. This bag is pretty small, but it can fit my iPhone 12 in it. It's hard to see, but it does have a little slot in the back, so that way you can add your credit cards, your cash, because again, not much can fit in this bag, but all you really need for a night out is your credit card, keys, some mints, you know, keep it simple. This bag could be worn as is with just the top handle, or you could add the adjustable strap. This bag costs about $375. I don't know if it's still available on their site. The brown one is definitely still available, and it's 100% worth it. Again, Brandon Blackwood takes Afterpay, so you can split the payment up into 4 bi-weekly payments. The hardware is clearly gold, but this bag is just such a tribute to just Black culture. With the bamboo detail, I absolutely love it. I might have to cop the brown one as well, or I actually might wait. I have a feeling because this bag is so popular, they're gonna bring it back out in different colors. Hopefully the next one will be a print. Next is my mini Kendrick trunk bag. I love this bag. I know I say I love everything, but every time I say I love it, it's because I mean it and I'm not bullshitting you guys, I swear. So this bag is clearly mini, cannot fit your phone unless you have an old school flip phone. No phone is fitting in this bag. This bag is only for your essentials. But like the rest of his bags, it comes with a detachable adjustable strap. It's made out of Ponyhair. It has a clasp closure at the top. The hardware is silver, and this bag costs about $165. I didn't mention it before, but his bags come with a logo duster bag and a logo box. Last but not least is my bamboo wallet. The wallet also comes in its own little logo duster bag. Unfortunately, this wallet is no longer available, but again, this bamboo detail has become a staple and all the girls are asking for it, so I wouldn't be surprised if they bring this item back. Again, hopefully in more colors and maybe even patterns this time around. Now this wallet has about 3 slots on each side, and it opens in the center. This wallet is so special. I don't use it as my everyday wallet, but this is like my special occasion wallet and my traveling wallet. I use this when I don't want to take my full wallet that has all my credit cards, my IDs, and all that stuff, just when I want to go out and carry the essentials. Again, this wallet is currently unavailable. It costs about $100, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be back in stock at some point this spring, summer. I'm so happy with my purchases from Brandon Blackwood. I definitely plan on adding more bags to my collection. If you don't already own a Brandon Blackwood bag, this is your sign. This is your calling to start investing in the brand. It's such a big deal for a new brand in this capacity to be taking so much space in the luxury market. And it's only going to get bigger. They're only going to do better things. I wouldn't be surprised if they increase their price points, which I think would be valid considering the quality of the products. And I feel like they did slightly increase their prices before. So again, these bags are well worth the investment, and I implore you to make a purchase now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, if you love dope and relatable fashion content, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
I just can't stop thinking about